Hey guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad. Today we have my dad's 2007 Ford 500 and we got the check engine light. It needs a new fuel filter and we're going to try to do this thing. I watched a few videos. It looks like it's pretty easy. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make this happen. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, first thing we need to do is we need to remove the cap. Alright, get some air up in there. And we're going to disconnect the fuse for the fuel filter. So 1, 2, 3, it's the third one, first row right here. And I got the car on ramps. Okay, if you have a set of ramps, set it up, lift the car up. That's really all the distance you need. You don't really need to jack the car up more than that. Throw the link to those ramps in the description box, and also any tools that I use and the fuel filter. By the way, this is the fuel filter. I have the Purelator F65277. I'll throw the link down below. Hey, if you like this video or it's helpful to you, give me a thumbs up, man. I appreciate it. All right, passenger side, in the back, and the fuel filter, bad boy, right here. About, I don't know, 8 inches from the frame in. And we're gonna use a flathead to unscrew this fastener here. And then we're going to use the needle pliers here to unhook each side. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys, fuel lines are empty, and I'm under here trying to figure out how to take these clips off. And you know how it is, like, this is a 2007 vehicle. It's old. These are plastic pieces. If you're not careful, you're going to break them. Probably this is the most important piece of information from this video, okay? It's how to not break these clips. So let me show you how these clips work. Alright, so these clips, the clip is right here, right? It gets pushed down and it kind of like holds this thing together. So you got to go with some needle pliers and stick them through the bottom and push, and then push up, so this part here on the top pops up. Okay, and once it pops up, then it's unclipped, and now you can just remove the line. Good advice, don't loosen this until you take this part out. Then take this piece out and then unscrew this. Alright, and then take the filter out. You're going to slide it off and then slide the other one in, and then push the other ends in, and then screw it back in so it's nice and tight, and then voila, it's done. Alright, put the fuse back. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. God bless.